crazy, but you like that. I bite bad tastes on your nightstand. Now that's okay. I bust them in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacier with the blue eyes. I'm terrified. I'm no Cinderella, but I like the shoes. Big glass platforms, bitch, I'm choosy. Long blue hair, blue as a bruise. Only try to fill it for some light amusement. I'm no prey, but I am pursued. Pray for me, not on the church's pews. You distraction can't confuse me. Whiskey in my head, plus nothing fruity. Fuck a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring. Being a bitch is my king.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make her the cutest that I've ever seen. Give her 2 lips like roses and clover, and tell her that her lonely nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone. Don't have nobody to call my own.
Said I had to clear out my head, but tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared out by 3. To the walls I know they listen to me. The teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion the same as I did a few years before. They don't see the light there anymore. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in. I mean they can't understand when they all cope with everything. When I open my heart in front of my friends finally, it was not what I thought, 'cause they're not there anymore.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future, 'cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. Tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else, 'cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we